Today,
I will help my daddy cook
I'll help my dad cook
pork binagoongan.
pork binagoongan. Siya!
Pork
Pork
binagoongan.
binagoongan. That's hard. It's hard that they don't want it.
Yeah, like-
Sorry guys. It's me, Chef Julia again. I'll help my daddy cook pork binagoongan.
Okay.
Let's go. First, the ingredients: garlic, onion, tomatoes, shrimp paste, or bagoong, gata, talong, and pork. First, let's chop all the ingredients. First, garlic, and here, chop. Next is onion, then tomato, chop. Then the eggplant, chop. First, we put on the garlic. Second, we put on the onion. Third, we put on the tomatoes. And then we mix it all. We put the pork. And we go in for 30 minutes.
Twelve seconds later.
We will fry the other pork and the talong. And add some sugar, salt, and pepper to taste. La 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 la. Like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. This is the fried pork. Yummy. We will chop it into small pieces.
How is it?
Good. Okay, here you go. Oh, it's so crunchy. This is the fried talong. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of smoke coming. This is so good. This is so good. I put the crispy pork on the top. more. For watching, bye! Oh no, I forgot to cook the rice.
Okay.